Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Sid. You know what time it is. It's cafecito time, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and stick around for our wonderful coffee videos. Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Sid. Welcome to my channel where I make videos about coffee, coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventure, everything from the wonderful world of coffee because we love coffee. So if you love coffee, make sure you subscribe to our channel where we post videos every Wednesday, every Sunday at 10 a.m. So yeah, today I have another coffee review, another Master Origin, one I've been excited about, one that I missed out on last year, but finally I have it in my hand. So let's see what this is all about. Okay, so today I'm going to taste test the Aged Sumatra Master Origin coffee. Like I said, this is one they've had in the past, limited edition. It's like a seasonal one. They don't have it all year round, but it is Aged Sumatra. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, last year, 2021, I reviewed the Starbucks Vertuo capsules, and the Aged Sumatra kind of like blew my mind away. It was so good, so delicious. So I don't know. I'm very excited to try this one. So let me know. Have you tried it? Did you guys buy this already? Have you tasted it? Did you try it last year? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing what you have to say about cafecito. So let's read a little bit about it first. Got to put on the glasses because, you know, getting old now and I can't see too good. Okay, so this is a 2.7 ounce, which makes it a double espresso capsule. Good. It is a 8 out of 11 intensity, so that means it's pretty intense. Woody, spicy notes. And it says it is a wet hulled Arabica. What that means, I have no idea. But let's keep reading. Okay, distinguished quality. The Grand Cru is Q certified. A classification distinguished it as a distinguished as a specialty graded coffee, one that demonstrates superior quality from the farm to the roastery, which is the same as the Papua New Guinea. Let's see the aging process. In a meticulous twist on the Indonesian wet hulled process, the beans are aged in breathable jute bags over 5 years, delivering an unforgettable cup. Whoa, 5 years is a lot. No wonder this coffee is not available year round. Okay, let's keep reading. Refined by time. Careful aging of the coffee enhances its elegant woody note. Refined by time, the coffee gains in smoothness and complex spicy notes. Oh, the coffee gains smoothness and complex spicy notes. I think I'm going to need some better glasses. These cheapy readers are doing such a good job. And of course, you guys know that an espresso is recyclable and they use recyclable materials for their capsules. So there's the box. Pretty gold. So I'm assuming it's going to be like the other one with just the name around it. But let's open it up and see. Whoa! One at a time, Veronica. One at a time. Okay. So like I said, I missed out last year, so I was sad because I've heard really good things about this one. There you go. Silver, just with the Aged Sumatra capsule. Double espresso, which I'm excited for. Let's brew it and see how it tastes. So in the comments, let me know, have you guys tried this one? Did you like it? You didn't like it? And let me tell you the price of it. It is $12, so $1.20 per capsule. Not too bad because, you know, the these are limited edition. Okay, Papua New Guinea limited edition, so when it's gone, it's gone. Aged Sumatra, also limited edition, so when it's gone, it's gone. So if you love it, buy it before it's gone. Okay, let's find out if we love it first. Okay, we had a little difficulties, but I think I fixed it. So let's try the Sumatra. Aged Sumatra, that looks dark, you guys. That's dark. Okay, I smell the woodiness. Woody, spicy. Ugh. Definitely smells very woody, so let's try it. Oh yeah, this one, this one's gonna be a good one. Okay, this one definitely has a kick. It is a little, I wouldn't say bitter, but it is a little more intense. It's not as mellow and smooth as the Papua New Guinea I tried before. It definitely has a woody. You taste the woodiness right away. Not in a bad way, but some people might not like that. I can't really describe it, but it's good. It's not super, I don't want to say bitter, but it just has like a different, it hits differently. Let's just say that. It definitely hits differently because it's intensity 8. If you love bolder, stronger, more intense coffees, Aged Sumatra is the one for you. And then I've been like in a kind of flavored creamer type of mood lately. I kind of go through my moods where I don't want anything flavored, and there's times where everything has to have a flavor. So in my last video, I showed you guys I bought the oat milk creamer from Trader Joe's, brown sugar flavor. I found this one the other day and I just had to try it. I know coffee mates aren't the best and not everyone loves them, but look. Oat and cream cookie flavor. You guys remember the Little Debbie cookies? The oatmeal cookies with the cream inside? Loved those when I was a kid. So this one, I said, you know what? I have to try it. So I'm thinking, should we add a little bit of this to this? I don't know. What do you guys think? I think we should. Just for fun. So let me know if you're a fan of creamers. I did a video a while back about creamers and how they froth. And that seemed to be, people liked it. So I'm thinking about maybe doing another testing of creamers. But today we're just going to add a splash of this to our Sumatra. Because why not? Okay, just a little splash. And this is pretty good, guys. I've been having it with my regular coffees. Yum. Okay. I think this might work because it has kind of like that woodiness. And oatmeal has not a woody, but it's more of a, like it's a grain, so it has a little bit more of like nutty, I guess, flavor you could say. So there it is. Oh yeah. This is pretty good, guys. If you are, adventurous with your flavors, give it a try. I bought the small one because, like I said, if I didn't like it, then I don't want to be stuck with a big bottle. But let me know what are your favorite creamers, and maybe I'll do a creamer video. We'll do a whole spread of different creamers because I've seen some pretty funky flavors online, and I'm like, do I need to buy those and try them out? So Aged Sumatra is a winner for me. The price point is pretty good. It's only $12, so a double espresso, great for your lattes and all those type of drinks. I think I will be repurchasing this one. Ooh, I like it with this one. I'm a fan of the oatmeal and cookie cream. And I think this works well with coffees that are a little bit more intense because of the sweetness and kind of like the creamy flavor of it. So as always, you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to our channel. I upload videos on Sundays and Wednesdays, 10 a.m. Give us a thumbs up. Help our video grow. Help with that little crazy YouTube algorithm. And share our videos with your coffee-loving friends and family. As always, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Follow me on Instagram at House of Sid, and we could chat more about cafecito time over there. That's all I have for you guys. So let me know what you're thinking about this coffee, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Hope you're enjoying your cafecito. I'm enjoying it for sure.